Bachelor of Computer Applications BCA students, your project journey starts now. BCSP 165 is the most important course code for your final semester project. This project gives you practical exposure to software development, web application design, or database management. It is the key to your success in completing your BCA degree from IGNOU. Many students face issues in writing the synopsis and preparing the complete project report. Lack of guidance, late submission, and rejection are common problems, but now no need to worry. SelfGAN is here to help you get the best IGNOU project assistance for BCSP 165 with 100% approval and timely success rate. Submit your synopsis now for December TE session. The submission time is from August to October, and project submission takes place in October and November. For June TE session, the synopsis submission starts from February to April, and the final project is submitted in April and May, so do not wait till the last moment. Get your synopsis ready now. SelfGAN provides expert support from professionals who prepare projects exactly as per IGNOU guidelines at an affordable price. You get complete guidance for synopsis, report, and Viva preparation. SelfGAN ensures your project gets approved on time and helps you achieve the best grades in your BCA. For guidance, contact SelfGAN now at 9699784305 or visit selfgan.com to start your project preparation today. Remember, timely project submission means guaranteed success. Take help now and secure your IGNOU BCA BCSP 165 project approval with the best team. SelfGAN, your trusted project partner.